Hi guys, this is Tara Aral, and for today's video is how to compress large file size videos. Just go to the Google Play Store and type video compressor. And then find video compressor compact, this one, and then tap install and wait for it to be installed. This video compressor application is one of the best video compressor app in the Play Store, and it has 4.9 star ratings. And here we go. Let's open the app and then tap import, click import, and then choose one of your files that you want to be compressed. For us, we will choose this file. There are so many choices in this application: small file, large file, medium file, and high quality, but we will choose this custom with the resolution of 960p. But we will choose around 720p. 720p is good. And then the resolution, we will adjust it a little bit. We don't want our video to be pixelated, so we must choose carefully. Maybe around this 1440 by 720, and for the bitrate is around 3000 kbps. If you want a video resolution of around 720p, your bitrate must be around 3000 kbps. And if you want a resolution of 1080p, you must have around 3500 kbps or 5000 kbps. And then yeah, let's compress the video. We will wait for the video to be compressed. And then after the video is compressed, you can compare it to the original and the compressed one. And here we go. As you can see, the compressed file is above and the original file is below. The size is about 271.37 MB for the compressed, and for the original it is 830.22 MB. As you can see in the video, the compressed video is good. It is acceptable. So yeah, you can save storage by doing this. Hope this helps a lot. And that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and for you to updated to our next videos. Hanggang sa muli at sabay-sabay nating sabihin, tara, aral!